Okay guys, we're gonna get some tools, but first I'm gonna teach you how to hang. Over here. So we have this.
Alright, why don't you hang your shovel? Does it work?
Yeah.
Alright.
And let's try the other one.
Alright.
Yeah.
Now let's get some more. First, let's go to the apartment.
Apartment.
So we're going to get things for your garden.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Bob's. Oh wait, no. Oh yeah, it's Bob's City over here. We're gonna get the spray and the water bottle. Wait,
The watering
the
can.
watering can. Here.
Okay.
Sorry.
There's a scissors also in the bathroom
Oh, okay.
to add to your collection.
Yeah.
Alright. What were you gonna say?
Oh. Sorry about this guy.
Sure, no problem. Okay, then you wanted to go to the mall, right? There's a secret.
Oh yeah. There's a secret hidden. But we're gonna do it over here. Oh wait, over here.
Okay. Where's the code?
Over here.
Alright, so you just have to follow it.
So we have to do it 2 times, right?
I'm not sure. We'll try.
Okay. We got this. Okay.
Alright, so you have a lot of tools. Why don't you grab them? So get the toolbox.
Toolbox. Oh, but this is a different kind of color.
Yeah, so put it inside the toolbox.
Okay. Can we get this?
Yeah, safety goggles.
Yeah.
Something for electrical stuff. Okay.
And then we're gonna get the flashlight.
Can you put it in the toolbox?
Yeah.
Alright, the other things you can put them in the box. Okay. So why don't you get maybe the paint, right?
Oh yeah, paint.
Is it a paint or a spray?
I think it's spray.
Okay, get the other one. The black one.
This one?
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh, maybe this black.
And also that gadget
So we can see what's the calculation.
or whatever.
Yeah,
Okay. And I think there are more. Why don't you go to the side? I think there are more stuff for the kitchen or garden. I don't know. We'll see. Go to the right.
Go to the right. Over here. Oh yeah, we're gonna get these.
Okay, so more sprayer
Yeah.
and maybe get the pesticide.
Oh, what? This one?
Yeah, put them in the
For
box.
Well, it's not for the
Yeah, it's to kill the insects, so you
Yeah.
can use them in your garden.
because it has a balcony, so we need that.
All right. So you can bring them back to the house, and we will arrange them.
Okay. In the Bohemian house. I love Boca.
Okay. Well, it's gonna take a long time to arrange them, but maybe just leave the tools in the house, and we can show them later what you did.
Yeah.
Okay, so put them in the house, and we will fix it.
Okay. I'm gonna put it over here.